Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 豚とネギの卵とじ丼. It's pork and egg bowl. You may have heard of oyakodon, chicken and egg bowl, and this is like a pork version of it. Rice is a bit time consuming, but if you have one portion rice packs, link here, ready to go in your fridge, you can whip it up in 10 minutes. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this dish, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 200 grams of thinly sliced pork, any part you like, but it's very thinly sliced, like shabu-shabu style. 6 eggs, Japanese leek, or you can use white onion. 3 tablespoons each of soy sauce and sake, 6 tablespoons of mirin, and 1 teaspoon of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock. Rice takes some time, so let's cook it first. Add some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat it 3 or 4 times. Put the rice in the pot, and cast iron pot like these are considered best to cook rice, but this kind of regular pot will do. It's 2 cups of rice, so let's put 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Put the lid on and soak the rice in this water at least for half an hour. This is to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. It's been soaked for half an hour, so let's cook. Just turn the heat on and bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low as you can go and let it simmer for 12 minutes. Simmer for 12 minutes. Cue the heat, keep the lid on, no sneak peeking, and let it steam at least for 10 minutes. Steaming is a very important process when you're cooking rice, so don't skip it. In the meantime, let's get to the pork and egg topping. I'm slicing the Japanese leek. It looked like this before I cut it into 3 so that it can fit in my fridge. And I'm using this green part as a topping, and I'm cooking these white parts with the pork. Let's make the green part into thin slices. Put it in a small bowl and set aside. And white part into diagonal slices. All into the frying pan. Pork and all these seasonings also into the frying pan. Soy sauce, sake, mirin, and hondashi. And 150 milliliter of water. Release the pork. Cover with a lid and cook for about 5 minutes over medium heat until everything is well cooked. Cooked for 5 minutes and looks like everything is well cooked. So it's time to add the eggs. Crack all the eggs in the bowl. And beat it, but make sure not to beat it too much. You just want to break the egg yolk. This is good enough. And try to put the egg white only into the frying pan. Put the lid back on and cook for 1 minute. Cooked for 1 minute, and egg white is half cooked and half raw. Let's add the egg yolk. Just pour it all over. Lid back on, and this time just 30 seconds. Cooked for 30 seconds. Egg white is now cooked, but the egg yolk is half cooked and half raw. So it's done. Let's kill the heat. Rice should be ready by now, so let's fluff it. Serve in the bowl. Pork and egg topping. Green part of the leek. And 豚とネギの卵とじ丼 is ready to go. Time for the tasting. If you want spiciness, put some steamy Japanese chili mix. Itadakimasu. Sweet cooked leek, fresh tangy leek, fatty pork, creamy egg, and fluffy rice. Everything is so well harmonized and it tastes so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 豚とネギの卵とじ丼 is rice and main put together, so let's put it here and nothing here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but I think I want to have something refreshing. So how about sunomono cucumber salad for one of them and some sort of pickles for the other one. Eggplant eggplant miso soup or any soup you like here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!